ये सदियों पुरानी कहानी है यारो, तुम्हें आज जो मैं सुनाने चला हूँ।
Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teacher, all the guests, parents, and all my dear friends. At first, I would like to wish you all happy Independence Day. I am Arju. My father's name is Mr. Asjad. I belong to Gadimia. I study in Madrasa Darul Muslim Gadimia Samli. Today is 15th August. On this day in 1947, Indian became free from the British rule. Independence Day is the important day in the history of India. It is celebrated on 15th August every year with great joy. It is our national festival and national holiday. On this day, the Prime Minister national flag floats the forest in Hindi. I love my country very much and I am proud to be an Indian.